Panty and a ice cream box. I couldn't remember what it was. Alrighty, I think this is my last one of these. I canceled it a while ago, but I had a 3-month thing going on. So it has another little package it comes in. Looks like this one's going to be black. It's like a Ziploc bag. Why, I don't know, but it is. Huh, I already got this one. I'm pretty sure. Well, maybe just something real similar. I thought this is the one I just got last time. It's got like crochet on it. I'll have to look and see if I already have this one or I'm just thinking of something similar. It's a real pretty navy blue, and the crochet lacy stuff's really pretty. It comes up pretty high, so it's almost what I'd call a full brief. Alrighty, that's all from them. That's why I combined them with this, because, you know, it only took a minute, so it could have been a short. Alrighty, ice cream is, I found out about this. It comes with these styrofoam squiggles, I thought, but I'm going to go get something to show you these, because these are fascinating. I'll be right back. I was right. Panty number 1. Panty number 2. They're the exact same one. That's kind of weird. Okay, now here's these styrofoam thingies. I found this out by accident. They totally dissolve in water. We'll put a couple of them in here. We'll put 3 of them in here. And then we'll come back to them. See what happens. Alrighty. So I think that's kind of cool. It's an environmentally sound packing peanut. Get them all out of here. They're sticking to my hand because my hand's wet. I don't know if they're made out of like rice flour or something like that. You know, because like rice paper is like that, where it just dissolves. Alrighty. Okay, well, there's more on the bottom, but I took the top off at least so you can see what's in here. So here's what's in here. So ice cream it's $21.95, and then the shipping's around $8 something. So it ends up around $30. And you get a eyeshadow palette, full-size eyeshadow palette every time. See, we got Mirabella Lip. Oh, it's a crayon. I like that color. Ooh, that's pretty. That's nice. I like that. That's right up my alley. I like berries are my favorite, and that's a kind of a berry color. I don't know what color they call it, but it's pretty. Let's see if it has a name on it. Vice Velvet Lip Pencil. Ooh, I'm into Vice, I guess. And they pack their stuff pretty well. It's all in like these little bubble wrap baggies that I save, so when I send out giveaways, stuff's protected. Plus, you know, it's a way of recycling. Bella Pierre Ultra Glow Highlighter and Bronzing Palette. Well, this would be nice to travel with because it's got 2 shades of bronze and 2 shades of highlight in a small little package, and it comes with a mirror. See yourself. more styrofoam packages. So far, I like everything. This is Basic Beauty. I'm not sure what it is. The Bougie Wine Tasting Trio Blush Palette. Oh, cool. Oh, wow, those are kind of dark for blush. Might be a good eyeshadow, but they seem a little dark for blush. Maybe not. You can barely see them on my hand, so I guess they're not as dark as I thought they were. You can see all my age spots on my hand. Should put it on my wrist. It doesn't give away my age spots. Okay, let's see what else we have. Come on. My MAI Couture Downtown Blotting Bronzing Paper. So it's a little paper that you like use as a bronzer. I got some like this before. I think I put it in a giveaway box, but it was blush paper. I'd never heard of either one. And last but not least, there's always a palette. Ace Beauty Blossom Passion. Come on. It's pretty. Pretty container. I can't decide if it's like one side's kind of fall colors and the other side's kind of spring colors. These are the fall ones, these are the spring ones. These up here could be fall too, I guess. These, I don't know, but they're pretty. I like them. I have so many eyeshadow palettes. I don't know if I'll keep it or not, but maybe. Oh, heck yeah, I'm going to keep it. So let's try one and see how pigmented it is. Let's try another one. Okay, that was one swipe, so they're pretty pigmented. Oh yeah, that's really pigmented. Yeah, those are nice. So I got this lipstick I liked, which is that color. The blushes, the bronzer paper, highlighter, oh, and the package for the bronzer or the highlighter or whatever it was, blushes. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items, basically my whole face, because I got eyes, lips, blush, highlighter, and bronzer. So other than your foundation, I got my whole face in this one box. So if you're just starting out with your makeup collection, I'd highly recommend this because you get a wide variety of stuff every month. And, you know, it's 30-ish bucks a month. Not bad at all, and I really like the way you get like a nice eyeshadow palette every month, because BoxyCharm kind of started adding more and more like skincare stuff and less makeup, so I kind of quit doing BoxyCharm. So anyway, I got my Heaven Panty, which I already have. They sent me 2. I don't know why. And the ice cream, it's EYESCREAM, like ice cream, only EYE scream, because of it, you know, eye makeup. So I would highly recommend it. If you haven't tried it, give it a try. I don't think I have anything to get you any money off. I don't think they do that, or I would put some kind of code below if I could, but they don't have that. But go check them out. I think you'll like it. If you haven't tried them before, give them a try. You don't have to commit forever. Just try it for 1 month, see what you think. That's what I did, and then here I am, like 6 months later, still getting it. If you haven't seen it, oh look, it's almost gone. There's a little bit, I don't know if you can see it, a little bit floating on top, but it just all dissolves in water. So like if it gets in a landfill, it'll just get rained on and dissolve. And but I save it and reuse it when I send stuff to y'all. Speaking of sending stuff to you all, I finally reached 500. Yay, whoopee. I should have probably waited, because you know how YouTube is, so I'll probably go back down below 500, but I couldn't wait. I was so excited. So, the video before this one is my 500 subscriber video. So go check that out. And enter, because it's a huge box of goodies. A little bit of everything in there. It's like a mixed bag. It's got skincare and makeup and a hat and just G-Jaws and jewelry and all kinds of stuff in there. So go check it out and enter if you want. If you haven't subscribed, please do, especially if you want to win that giveaway. You got to subscribe. I love having new subscribers. It's like a nice little happy family. And I guess that's it. Please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Go try ice cream. I think you'll like it. And I'll talk to you all real soon.